is the National Weather Service in Morristown, Tennessee. The preceding signal was a test of NOAA weather radio stations WXK-46 and WNG-732. WXK-46 broadcasts from Sharps Ridge in Knoxville, while WNG-732 broadcasts from Cross Mountain, near La Follette. During potentially dangerous weather situations, this broadcast will send a signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be activated for other non-weather emergencies as well, such as hazardous chemical spills and Amber Alerts. The weather radio alerting system is tested weekly, with the tests normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is an ongoing weather event, the test may be postponed to the next available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast antenna, or the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on the radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. The weather radio broadcast from WXK-46 services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blount, Campbell, Claiborne, Cook, Granger, Hamberlin, Jefferson, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, Morgan, Roane, Scott, Sevier, and Union. The WNG-732 weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Campbell, Claiborne, Morgan, Scott, and Union. And 75. Bolivar, cloudy and 72. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning system on station WXK-49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Teat, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tippin. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. Slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, partly sunny with a chance of showers in the morning, then mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows around 40. Monday, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. In Nashville at 11 a.m. Partly sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees, dew point was 61, and the relative humidity was 63%. Winds were southwest at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 30.15 inches and steady. Around Middle Tennessee. Clarksville, mostly sunny, 79. Crossville, mostly sunny, 72. Columbia, Mount Pleasant, cloudy, 72. At Dixon, temperature 75 degrees. At Fayetteville, temperature 72 degrees. Lawrenceburg, cloudy, 72. Lebanon, cloudy, 73. Lewisburg, cloudy, 72. Livingston, mostly sunny, 70. McMinnville, cloudy, 73. Murfreesboro, cloudy, 73. Pulaski, cloudy, 72. Rockwood, partly sunny, 72. Shelbyville, cloudy, 70. Smyrna, partly sunny, 74. Cookeville, Sparta, cloudy, 73. Springfield, partly sunny, 77. Tullahoma, cloudy, 73. West Nashville, partly sunny, 79. Winchester, cloudy, 73. Elsewhere in Tennessee. Chattanooga, cloudy, 72. Jackson, mostly sunny, 78. Is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA weather radio station KIG 79, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.55 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Davidson County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan National Office of Emergency Management and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Clay, Cumberland, EAS, Ventura, Jackson, Overton, Pickett, Putnam, Smith, Van Buren, and White. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS Relay Network. This system is activated to quickly provide warnings during emergencies. Regular tests of the system are conducted on the first day of every month at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. Additionally, network participants may originate their own tests on a weekly basis, either at a scheduled time or random times throughout the week. Weekly tests originating from the network's CAP server are conducted once a week on Sundays at 12 p.m. Central Time. The following tones will conclude this monthly test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for Dane WI, beginning at 1:10 p.m. and ending at 1:25 p.m. This is a test of the Dane County Public Warning System. This system will be used for the transmission of emergency notification messages. The Dane County Warning System is tested at approximately 12:10 p.m. on the first Wednesday of every month. This is only a test. No action is necessary.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
It's a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.